Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Live Buds 3 and I'm going to tell you how can you easily enable or disable background noise sounds. At first tap on Other section over here, and here as you can see have relaxed sounds. And now to manage it, as you can see we can manage what sounds we want to hear, for example night sounds, and this is the time that you want to hear the sound. For example, I will set it to 1 minute to show you how this works. Now I'm playing night sounds, and if I take out of my headphones, I don't know if you hear it, but on our headphones are now currently not night noises. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.